Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be reviewing set let's see, 1572 Super Tow Truck, and it's a pretty cool set. I think like from the 80s. And let's start with the Lego figure here. So we got this pretty basic guy. These cool overalls, a nice hat, nothing on the back. That's all. Wait, I'll just put it there. And the tow truck, some nice like front, a nice bumper right there, a nice curved thing for the wheels, very big tires, a cool seat, some lights, some horns or smoke thingies, a bumper again here. This is my favorite piece in this set, like this cool tow truck piece, and with these pieces right here, they fold up and down. That's cool. Pretty cool set. Pretty basic, but I like it. That's the end of the video. Bye.